In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add momentum indicators on TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through the process step by step. So if you're new to TradingView or just haven't used momentum indicators before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get everything set up on your chart. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the page for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the top toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, including momentum indicators. After you click that, a window or panel will pop up. Inside that panel, you'll see a few different categories, like built-ins, community scripts, and more. What you want to look for here is the section related to technical tools. Click on Technical. This section focuses specifically on indicators that analyze price behavior, trends, and of course, momentum. Moving into this area helps narrow things down so you can find what you need faster. Once you're in the technical section, find the search bar at the top of that indicators panel. This is the easiest way to quickly locate specific indicators instead of scrolling through a long list. Click on the search bar so your cursor is active there. Now, type the word momentum into the search field. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below. You should start to see different momentum-related tools appear, including the standard momentum indicator and possibly others like momentum-based oscillators or variations created by the community. From here, simply click on the momentum indicator you want to add, and TradingView will place it directly on your chart, usually in a separate panel underneath your price action. You can later adjust settings like length or style by opening the indicator's settings menu if you'd like to customize how it looks or behaves. Finally, if you don't already have a TradingView Pro account and you'd like to unlock the full experience, including more indicators on a single chart and additional tools, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you're set up properly and ready to explore even more indicators and strategies once you're comfortable with momentum. That's all you need to quickly add momentum indicators on TradingView Pro.